So it's the last day of 2024, and this is going to be the last video for the year. I want to thank everybody that watches my videos and supports the channel and comments on my stuff and encourages me to keep going. Thank you very much, viewers. I appreciate you a lot. It's what keeps me going. So what we are going to do is read a Christmas story. It is called The Christmas Circuit Calamity. It was a snowy December evening in the cozy town of Solderville, where every electronics enthusiast and repairer was preparing for the grand holiday party at the local MakerSpace. The highlight of the evening was the annual Illuminated Christmas Tree Showdown, where participants showcased their most creative electronic holiday trees. Bob, the town's most experienced repairer, known for reviving gadgets long declared beyond repair, was determined to outdo everybody this year. His masterpiece, a 6-foot tall, fully programmable Christmas tree made entirely of salvaged PC boards, LEDs and an AI assistant he affectionately named Holly. Holly was no ordinary AI. Bob had programmed her to play Christmas carols, tell festive jokes, and manage the tree's dazzling light display. She was powered by an old, slightly finicky Raspberry Pi that Bob had rescued from a recycling bin. What could go wrong? Bob chuckled as he soldered the last connection. On the night of the party, the MakerSpace was abuzz with excitement. Trees of all shapes and sizes sparkled, blinkled, and even danced. But when Bob unveiled his creation, jaws dropped. Holly sprang to life, belting out jingle bells in perfect harmony while the tree shimmered in sync with the music. "Wow, Bob, this is amazing!" exclaimed Clara, a fellow tinkerer. But then disaster struck. In the middle of Frosty the Snowman, Holly's voice garbled. The lights on the tree flickered wildly, and the display began to glitch. Suddenly Holly declared, "Error 404, Christmas spirit not found." Bob's heart sank. The crowd murmured in concern as Holly started reciting debugging lines and logs. Lines of code scrolled across a monitor embedded in the tree. "Oh no, it's the old Pi overheating," Bob realized. Thinking quickly, Clara grabbed a can of compressed air and sprayed the Raspberry Pi. "Let's cool her down." Meanwhile, Tim, another repairer, rigged a makeshift heatsink using a cookie sheet from the snack table. The crowd cheered as the lights steadied and Holly stuttered back to life. "Phew, that was a close one," she quipped, to everybody's amusement. Note to self: Christmas is best served with cookies and a better cooling system. Bob laughed nervously, wiping his brow. "Looks like I have some bugs to iron out." From that day forward, Holly's glitch became a Solderville legend, and Bob, he started a new holiday tradition, baking cookies while upgrading electronics, because in Solderville, even Christmas catastrophes were a reason to celebrate. And that's it. That concludes our story. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you and your families and loved ones had an awesome time together and it was good. Christmas wishes and blessings to you all. And then tonight is Old Year's Eve and tomorrow is New Year's Day. And I wish you all the best for 2025. May you be blessed with a prosperous year. May it all be good for you. And may there be more excellent videos and stories to tell. Thank you for being here. I love you all. Take care. Cheers.